Okay, in our last video, we showed you how to, that's great. In our last video, we showed you how to insert a graphic and use it for things like an extrude cut like this. But we want to make a box that is nice. We don't want this rectangle. The rectangle constricts us. And so for this next one, and this is your assignment, you're going to make a box that's based on the design. So I'm going to go ahead and put another top-facing sketch and insert that same Skyrim SVG. So there it is. It's in me downloads, and there it is. It's a little big, so I'm going to pull it over, and then I'm just going to shrink it to what I think is about 2 inches by 4 inches. Maybe a wee bit bigger than that, and just kind of center it over the datum. And when you get it someplace nice, say, okay, and now we're looking at it down from the top. The next step is to select everything. Let's finish the sketch. Select everything, and we're going to extrude everything. And we don't want to go that way. We want to go this opposite way. So how big was the box? 1.2. Let's go for this one. Just looking at it and the size it is, I'm going to go 1.5 negative. So that direction is really going to make a big difference in a minute. And right now you can't see it, but the sketch is right there, and that's kind of where we need it to be. So using the same tool we did last time, I'm going to put a plane on this face, and I'm just going to offset the plane by 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to use that split body tool, and here's the body. My splitting tool is once again the plane, and I guess it didn't pick the body. So there we go. And now it's going to split. For this one, I'm going to leave the top of the lid in place, and I'm going to move this part. So I'm just going to move that back. And so there's the big part of the box, and here's the lid for the box. While this is groovy, I'm going to go ahead and shell this. And my wall thickness is going to be, let's go 0.125, so 1/8 of an inch. All right, and so that looks pretty good with the ears and everything. I was kind of worried about that. I'm going to go ahead and flip it and make this body here, body 1, invisible. I'm also going to make the plane invisible. I'm going to put a sketch right on this surface. Just like we did in practice, I'm going to use offset. Oh wait, I forgot to project. So let's cancel that. Hit P for project and just project that edge. Okay. Now I'm going to offset the edge, and it's going to be our magic number, and we made it 0.125, so it's going to be 0.132. So that's an extra 7/1000ths, and that is right. Correct? Yes. Good. So this gets a little mini extrusion. And that mini extrusion is just going to be 0.125. So I'm working in 1/8 of an inch on this. Actually, I don't like that. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, just so that when they interface, it really kind of holds itself together. And go ahead and turn the other body back on, just so I kind of size it up and see, is that going to work? And I think it is. So let's go ahead, invisible the first one, and turn on sketch 1. So now I've got sketch 1 activated. I'm going to go ahead and make some extrusions with that. Select this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and then skip one and select this. And what do I want to do? I don't want a new body. I want to cut. And where do I want to cut it? About 1/10 of an inch in. So now I got this nice textured lid. It's Skyrim-esque. I could select a face, change the appearance of the face. Boink. If you guys want to do custom appearances, I'll show you the way. You could double click on this. It opens up this palette, and wow, it selected everything. So let's not do that. I just wanted that one face. Let's undo. Anyhow, this video isn't about adding an appearance to a face, but let's just try one more time. So faces. This is the face I want to do, and it does the whole thing. It's like almost like doing a body instead of just a face. Just the face. Well, mess around with that later. In any case, I want you to make a box that is based on the graphics rather than based on the rectangle. And who wouldn't like a little Skyrim box with the solitude symbol, shield symbol on it? All right, so go get them, kiddos. Have a great day.